Hey everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is Jonas. Today we will going to see a quick and easy tutorial on how to create a 2x2 picture for ID and other purposes from other size pictures using Canva. For this tutorial, I use this sample picture with 1200 by 1200 pixel, which is equivalent to 4 by 4 inch with a gray background, and we'll change it to a 2 by 2 picture with white background, which is ready to use for ID or other purposes. So please start this tutorial by clicking the like, subscribe, and the bell sign to get notified in the next useful tutorials. To start our tutorial, let's open our Canva platform, then go to a custom size option as seen here, then select inch and put to the width and height, then click on the create design button. This page will appear uh, as seen here. Next, we will go to the upload step and add the picture we need to edit and resize it as shown. At the most of time, picture for an ID are required to have a white background, so we will remove the background using a background remover app here in Canva, and make some adjustment as seen to put our picture in the frame. Finally, go to share tab and download option, select the png file as a file type, then click the download button here. This is the result of our picture conversion. So here is a 600 by 600 pixel, which is equivalent to 2 by 2 inch picture. I hope you find this tutorial helpful, so do not forget to like and subscribe, as well as write your questions and suggestions in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.